And then the water. So the thing with the water now is I'm just gonna take my time and pour. Can't bother hold up on measuring. Let's see how it go. You know? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Arthur Fly, and it is day 10 of Artmas or Vlogmas, whatever you want to call it. Welcome, welcome. Thank you very much for subscribing. Now today I will be making two things, plain cake and sweet potato pudding. So stay tuned guys and watch what's happened. Oh guys, it's a special day, so that is why I'm baking today. It's a special day. I'm not sure if I should tell you guys, but no, that is a special day because I only bake cakes or pudding on a special day. Okay guys, so it's a special day today, so that is why I'm baking. So let's jump on in guys.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Just went on the road real quickly to grab some things to bake. So I'm going to bake plain cake and sweet potato pudding, just those two for today. So I went and got the ingredients and I'm going to show you soon. Hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas so far. So this is how I went on the road, but as promised, as you can see the hair, this is it. This is the hair. So I didn't do my edges, I just throw on a cap, and as you can see it must be redone. It's Tuesday, so it's not going to last more than 4 days. So without the elastic band, it's 4 days basically it can last for, but I think I can work without the elastic band. I'm sure if I did my edges then it would look a little bit better. And this is where I lost most of my hair during the braid and even the elastic band, but it's growing back guys, it's growing back. So that's the hair for you, and I let this part out. Before I left the house, I put in some leave-in conditioner because what, the do-rag fell off, so it went dry again. Alright guys, so I put some leave-in conditioner in there and it's still soft and smooth and nice with the leave-in conditioner. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the ingredients now. Oh, and I wore my shirt, Artwork Fly, all things art. Remember, if you need anything and you're local near me, you can always shout me and I will get it done for you. Alright, so let's show you the ingredients. Alright guys, so this is what I got: sugar, margarine, nutmeg extract. So this was the liquid. This is not for baking but I needed it. It's adobo. This one is nutmeg powder, and this one is the cinnamon powder, and then I got the plain cake, and then I have the sweet potato. Alright, first thing first guys, I'm going to wash this out. By the way, it was $825 for it. It's not bad at all. Probably could have gotten it cheaper somewhere, but I paid $825. By the way, this $1,500. This one $510. I don't remember. I think this one was $400 and odd dollars or $300 and odd dollars. I don't remember how much is this, but it's a good size, good size. Alright, so I'm gonna get this washed and come back and sort everything out. Alright guys,
This a go in here something.
just a part of it, yes.
The sound, no, the sound.
Oh no.
Oh.
So one size good for you? One size of potato pudding?
Whatever you want to do.
Whatever you want to do, Yahweh.
I recognize you enjoy doing videos. Do you? Or
Of course me enjoy.
It's stressing.
No. Me enjoy. Remember say me that do it for a long time. I mean I get no money now. No. I'm still a do it and I not get no money. Enjoy. I have a problem with it. So just imagine if me enjoy now and then me will get money for it later down the line. Me now enjoy more. Let me see. I got somebody stop me and say, you're up on YouTube? I say yes. And
Nah, the shirt, no say so, no say so.
at least the shirt I wear. I just try to show you my shirt I work.
Go see which man, taxi man, I go come on YouTube just to come see you.
Why you have a taxi man?
You see much taxi man I look you.
Why you have a taxi? Nobody else to Nobody else on the road. Young people now walk on road. Old people now walk on road. Jesus, Father. Yeah, something else, you know. You see how this easier to just slide pony and just take off it. That's why I prefer this than the knife. So I don't know one more that. Probably not run gonna be go get one, you know. But I couldn't find this. Just stay there. Cause right now I do want to buy chicken. I do want use up my gravy. I do want fried chicken. Feed penny them. And me and so I'm mix it with my gravy. Like barbecue sauce stuff. That I do want to do. But I don't remember. Today when me no want to spoil, probably by tomorrow it spoil, so I might run go shop, see if they can sell me some breast. Usually ladies say she knows.
This is what you know?
Alright, so my pot is missing an angle, guys. We don't really use this pot. We don't use this pot, but I'm gonna use it to mix. What is it now? Egg. 3 egg, 1 cup of water, vegetable oil. Alright, so it said 3 egg. Not a bacon, I'm just a try thing, you know. So 1, 2, but to my shoe. Now the reason why I do this is to ensure that the egg is good. Alrighty then. Alright, what it says now. I'm still looking on this. I'm now going like say me a big chef. 1 cup of water, vegetable oil, and mix at a low speed, whatever. Alright, and then the water. So the thing with the water now is I'm just gonna take my time and pour. Can't bother hold up and measuring. Let's see how it go. You know? See how it go. Alright guys, so this is the best I can get it using the fork.
Over this, what you did today, and then
So I'm gonna cook after so it'll last longer. Is there a special way to pour it? Or just roll in a circle or just I don't matter. Oh Lord, me not watch no video, me a chef. Me a chef.
Sorry. So you ask me first.
Alright guys, I'm gonna create this out and come back. Alrighty then. So the potato, I boil it just a little bit. So now I'm going to grate her.
still feel like watery,
You know water, you know? So, one more cup of water, no.
Oh, my son is under. Oh no. Magic up your high. Oh, you. Why you laughing?
So I'm back, and the cake and the pudding is now done, guys. So I'm going to show you them, but before I do, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell so you can know when I upload. All right, so I'm doing 25 days of Christmas vlogmas. So just stay tuned for the different videos coming. Some might be a little bit down, some might be a little bit up, but you just have to stay tuned, okay guys? So today is sweet potato pudding day and cake day, all right, for a special day. All right, so I'm going to show you guys now, okay guys? And comment down below and tell me what you think about them. So guys, in the last minute I added some last liquid ingredients like the coconut milk, the nutmeg and vanilla on top. So guys, tell me what you think. We did it our way. We didn't put any raisins. My husband and I don't like raisins. We don't like lime. We don't like molasses. We don't like certain things in there, so we put what we like in there. But I'm gonna show you guys now, okay? Alright, so here it is, guys. Comment down below and tell me what you think. I should have spread this out a bit more in the pan, that's why it cracked. But let me know for the bakers out there, let me know what happened. But it's good. I tasted both of them and they're delicious. Bon appetit. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.